What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the iCloud storage full problem you are getting on your iPhone. When your iCloud storage is full, subsequent backups fail, new photos are not uploaded, and even some iCloud related services stop working altogether. That's why it's important to regularly check and manage your iCloud storage. Let's start by checking how much iCloud storage you've used and see which apps are taking up the most space. Open up your Settings app. Then, tap on your name on the top to access your Apple ID settings. From here, select iCloud, and you'll see a visual breakdown of your iCloud storage. The bar graph at the top shows how much space each type of data, like photos, backups or messages, is using. Tap Save to iCloud to get a detailed list of what's occupying space in iCloud. Now that you know what's using up your iCloud storage, let's start by freeing up space by deleting any unwanted items. Scroll through the list of apps and services. If you see any apps or backups you no longer need, tap on them to view more details. Since photos are often a big cause of storage full issues, see if the Photos section is taking up a significant portion of your iCloud storage. If you don't need them on your iCloud, navigate to the Photos app's iCloud settings page. Here, choose Manage Storage, followed by Delete. Next, toggle off the Sync this iPhone option for iCloud photos. This will prevent any accidental photo backups from your iPhone to iCloud. If you have old backups from previous devices you no longer need, you can also delete them via the iCloud settings. Head back to the main iCloud settings page, and then scroll down to iCloud Backup. Tap on it, and then select Delete Backup at the bottom of the screen. This can free up a lot of space if you have large backups from devices you no longer use. Be cautious when deleting backups, as this will erase all data stored in that backup permanently. After you delete the backup, make sure to toggle off the Backup this iPhone option to ensure that no accidental device backups occur in the background later on. If your iCloud is still full and you're unable to delete anything else because it's all essential data, consider purchasing additional storage. Apple offers various iCloud storage plans, so you can upgrade if needed. To do this, open Settings again, tap on your name, then go to iCloud, upgrade to iCloud Plus. Here, you will see options to upgrade your storage, with plans starting at 50 GB and going up to 2 TB. Select the plan that suits your needs and follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Once your new plan is active, you'll have more room for backups, photos and other important data. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.